everyone, welcome to another round of Chitter Chatter. Today I'm gonna do chit chat with the actress Sushri Mishra. Yes, you have seen her in Cartel, and Cartel is released and has only 14 episodes on which you can binge watch. So we're gonna chit chat with her all about her role in Cartel and what was it like shooting with Alt Balaji and a lot more. What's going on? Have you all watched Cartel? Are you all excited about Cartel? You can keep DMing me about how you like the show and who all do you want to chit chat with. There are more than 100 actors in Cartel. Do you know what Cartel is all about? Well, this show is totally on the gangs of Mumbai and how Supriya Pathak, who's the main, has her sons who are peacefully taking care of the gangs. And there is peace, but this peace is only before the new storm comes. And then starts the whole journey. So know all about this by watching the 14 episodes at Alt Balaji and on 9X, but the paid 9X version. I'm sure you're going to enjoy it. At the same time, let's see if she's here and send her a request. So she is right here and I'm sending her a request and chat. Hi, AK Khanna, Faizan, hello, Nana Arora, hi, Yash Lakhal, hello, Kuldeep, hello. Hi and hello to everyone who keep coming for a chitter chatter, and it's so much fun to have chit chat with you all. I try to ask all the questions you all want me to ask, but sometimes because of less time. Hi, Sri, how are you?
Hi.
So before we get started, your viewers are here and they want to know how is it now that your show is going to be out there.
Sorry, the network is a little funny.
Okay, can you hear me now?
I can. Am I audible?
Yes, you're audible. So welcome on Chitter Chatter, and we are all like excited about Cartel. So tell us all about Cartel to your viewers here who want to know how was it being a part of Cartel.
It was an incredible journey, like I think it was such an amazing learning experience for me because ये show हमने 2 साल तक shoot किया है, and like we started it before COVID, we shot it during COVID, like post COVID, so it was just incredible. And if you have seen the show, like it is filled with so many actors, like so many incredible actors that there would be days when I would be shooting with Supriya Pathak ma'am, and you won't believe me, those days I would just not go back to my vanity van. I would be sitting there, I would finish my shot and I would just like sit there and look at Supriya ma'am and then look at that little monitor that we have, the Shogun. Like I would constantly like keep looking at both of them, just to see like, I mean, how is it looking, like the live performance and, how it looks on the monitor. And I was just blown by her performance, and like it was just incredible, like just bonding with so many actors. And I was so nervous in the beginning, but then I mean, have you seen the show?
I haven't watched the show, but I've watched the trailer and I'm all excited. I think today after our chit chat, I'm going to binge watch on it because it's just 14 episodes, and seeing the trailer of you, I'm sure that, once I get started, I won't be able to stop. So
I hope so.
But I got my next question. Everyone here is saying you are looking stunning in the show. You're so pretty and gorgeous. The show is epic. They're calling you the Jannat Queen. Cartel is back. And a lot of love coming from your viewers here. And like you said, you've been shooting this show before COVID, while COVID, post-COVID. So long, and so many actors. How was it to go to and forth from your character back to the real life, back to the character?
So like before I ventured into the world of OTT, I have done some theater, so that has kind of taught me the art of switching on and switching off. So it was not really difficult. In fact, to be very honest with you, I loved that whole time that I kind of got, because then जितना टाइम एक कैरेक्टर आपके साथ रहता है वो उतना मैरिनेट होता है, so then you start developing more layers to the same character. So I feel like in a way it was a very good thing for me, because I kind of grew so much from every schedule. that like I can see that in my performance. I don't know if the audience can see it or not, but then I mean it was obviously, you know, like we wanted to finish shooting and, you know, we wanted the show to come out and all that, but मुझे तो बहुत अच्छा लगा the fact for the fact that, you know, मुझे इतना ज़्यादा time मिला to prepare. So I mean that way I feel like I'm very lucky.
So a lot of our viewers here, from Giri Vishal to Neha Sharma to Sharish Kaur, everyone is asking how you're doing, man, now that your show is out there.
I don't know. I am feeling, I don't feel any different. Honestly, everybody is asking me that, you know, आपको कैसा लगा show, this, that, blah, blah, blah. But I feel like जब आप खुद काम करते हो ना किसी चीज में, then it is difficult to form an opinion about it because, like, I know the script, like, you know, like from the front page to the last page. Like I have read it so many times. मैंने खुद का story इतनी बार पढ़ा है, खुद का जो track है इतनी बार पढ़ा है that I don't have an opinion, so I'm kind of open to everybody. Well, let's ask the audience what they think.
तो डियर ऑडियंस, आपको शो कैसा लग रहा है? वैसे काफी लोगों ने यहाँ पे, आपने क्वेश्चन खत्म भी नहीं किया उसके पहले बहुत लोगों के हाथ ऑलरेडी फ्लो हो रहे थे. अभी भी आई कैन सी ओनली हार्ट फ्लोइंग ऑल द वे. बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. दे आर सेइंग इट्स अ बैंग. एंड पीपल हु हैव नॉट येट वॉच, प्लीज आज के चिटर चैटर के बाद जाइए और बालाजी पे कार्टून देखिए और सुशी को बताइए हाउ डिड यू लाइक हर. MIN Epic, MIND sending hearts. Rang is saying बहुत अच्छा है. Official Ahmad Pasha is saying बहुत बहुत अच्छा है. Monster_Vix is saying it is amazing. Wow, so much love for you and for the show Cartoon.
For the show, yeah.
So Sushi, tell me, और बालाजी के साथ काम करने में कितना मजा आया?
बहुत मजा आया because you know the thing is किसी टीम के साथ जब आप काम करते हो ना, like it is about the people that you're working with, and इतनी amazing cast थी हमारे शो की that it was fun. Like I mean, it was whether it was shooting with Tanuj or, you know, Ritvik or Jitendra sir or, you know, Girija, Supriya Pathak ma'am, even the director, even the cast and crew, they're so, like, by the end of the whole, you know, like the gazillion schedules that we did, whether it was the outdoor shoot or the shoot that we did in Bombay, we all bonded and we became very thick. So like I honestly feel very lucky that, you know, from the beginning of my career itself I learned something so important, that teamwork कितना जरूरी होता है, you know, कितना जरूरी है to work with your team, like to be on the same page with everybody. So yeah,
it had a brilliant experience while shooting for Cartel. और यहाँ पे it's Hasi 18 is saying Cartel series, your role is awesome, man. HN Namte saying love you, madam, congratulations. World Lover is saying you are so beautiful in it. Sonu Shah is saying, and kisses and hearts are coming only from everyone out here. Sappa Naresh is saying the chemistry Major Bhav and you is amazing. तो यहाँ पे तो बहुत सारा प्यार है ही. और भी आने वाला है from the people who are going to watch, and the show is going to do really really well. Besides that, tell me, theater or OTT में जब, you know, both are very different, but like you said, you got time कि आप अपने character में and all of it. How was your experience shooting for?
I'm sorry, I didn't get your question. How was your experience shooting for?
Experience shooting for OTT. Stage completely alag hai, and you know, this is a completely different platform, but today OTT it is. So what was your experience like?
See, stage, when you are doing now, when you're working on a play, you rehearse, and then on the show day, it is the show day. You know, the curtains rise, you start performing, and then it's the end. There are no retakes. But the thing about OTT is that you get so much time. There would be days when we would get time to perform one scene, you know. So that liberty when you get, it is just very liberating as an actor, because then you can explore so much, you know. Like when we are playing with your actor, you can explore with different angles, and sometimes you come up with really magical things just like that, and that I think makes for a very interesting very interesting. What is the right word for it? I think that just makes the whole experience a little more enduring. But whatever said and done, I love theater, and I don't think it can ever replace my love for theater. But I think the magic, that liberty that you get, no, to create that magic and keep recreating and keep playing with it and keep exploring is something which is just mind blowing.
वैसे हमें एक बात बताइए, सुश्री में और द कैरेक्टर जो आपने कार्टल में प्ले किया है, दोनों में क्या सिमिलैरिटी है?
श्वेता, आई टेल यू वेरी ऑनेस्टली, ये कैरेक्टर प्ले करने में ना मुझे बिल्कुल मुश्किल नहीं हुआ, बिकॉज द थिंग इज वैदेही एंड सुश्री, दे आर सो क्लोज, दे आर सो सिमिलर. Like, I'm a very nurturing person. I love taking care of people and all of that jazz. And Vaidehi is exactly like that. So मैंने बस वो कड़ी पकड़ी and like I just like started lapping it on. And it was बहुत similarities, and I'm a very strong person myself, and Vaidehi is also a very strong person herself. I mean, even I'm a very calm, composed person, which is how Vaidehi is. So it was very easy for me to play this, character, to be very honest.
वैदेही और सुश्री में एक चीज जो बिल्कुल सिमिलर नहीं है.
Let me think about it. I think Vaidehi has a lot of tolerance when it comes to her personal life, because if you watch the story, you will know that she has a lot going on in her personal life as well. And I think I'm a very no-nonsense person when it comes to my personal life. I love a life which is drama-free and stress-free. So I think that is one strong difference between Vaidehi and Sushri.
वैसे यहाँ पे Heath the Great King is saying your chemistry with Tarun is awesome. Ram Naidu 227 is saying awesome ma'am. Sid Bharat is saying how cute, and Yusuf is saying hi beautiful, looking absolutely gorgeous as always. And there's a blooper alert which says Sapa Naresh is given a bloopers alert saying thank God she's still alive at the end of season 1. Such a big to wait for season 2.
Yeah, season 2 gets even more interesting, so I just can't wait to start shooting for season 2.
And she's saying it's absolutely right binge watch.
Yay!
हमारी चिटर चैटर के बाद, अभी नहीं, ये चिटर चैटर के बाद आप जाके प्लीज बिंज वॉच कीजिए कार्टल. वॉच इट फॉर हर, give her some love, and also DM her with lots of love after you watch Cartel on Alt Balaji and 9X. Okay, tell me one thing, season 2 के लिए क्या तैयारी आप कर रहे हैं?
Season 2 के लिए, see, I feel like I don't know what season 2 story is going to be, right? So I hope there is a season 2, and I hope we, start, like, I mean, the minute we get the script, I think it'll be more clear in terms of developing it. But then, abhi tak jo maine kaam kiya tha for Vaidehi for season 1, I think I'll carry that forward. But considering that this massive, madness, I mean, not to reveal anything for the audience, those who have not seen the show, like whatever has happened in like episode 13 and 14, I think just to I mean, that will bring a lot of character changes in Vaidehi. So wo carry forward karke, I'm sure there'll be a lot of changes. And whatever our writers are going to put it down in the pages, I'm going to incorporate that. So yeah, I mean, it all depends upon the writers and the directors. I'm the director's baby, so whatever they write and put it down in pages is what I'm going to incorporate and make that my own.
Well, everyone here is saying you are mesmerizing and you make us stay. Your voice is so beautiful. Your work is so good. And obviously, lots of love is coming your way. And obviously, they're calling you cute. One of them is saying amazing performance. And they have just loved you a lot in Cartel. So lots of love coming your way. अब मुझे बताओ, when you saw yourself, आप perform करते, you're totally in the character. Actually, at that time, you don't even know how is it going to be. But when you saw yourself on screen, खुद को जब आपने show देखा, what was your experience like?
I was honestly, Shweta, I can't even begin to explain. I was super nervous. I was like, if it was up to me, I would not have like share this with anyone and let like just keep quiet till the time the show does not release and people like let them watch it, and then probably I would have reacted on the whole thing. And I mean, this is a very tough question, because I'm so numb about the whole thing. I feel like I am growing every day so much as an actor, and I did my best when we were shooting for it. And I honestly don't know, because it was a very exciting moment for me to watch myself, perform. But at the same time, I'm just very neutral about it, like excitement, nervousness ke saath saath, there's a strange neutrality to the whole feeling where I don't have an opinion, where I can't, like, I mean, obviously audience is giving me so much love and I'm really grateful for it. But at the same time, if somebody asks me, like, I don't know if I can call the person I see on screen beautiful or this or that and blah blah blah, I am very neutral about it. So it's a very tough question.
Since you're very neutral about it, I have another question for you. यहाँ पे तो बहुत सारे appreciation, love is coming for Kajal and for you in Kajal. What compliments that you have got besides this live which has stayed with you?
What compliments I have got? The thing is, I think I don't take compliments very seriously. I just don't. I mean, that's just not who I am. So it's very difficult for me to even think of a compliment which has come my way. But I will not evade this question and I will answer it. Somebody had told me once that you have the most beautiful eyes, and the minute I saw you, like, I was bewitched by what I saw, So I think that has stayed with me. Yeah, but compliments is something I never take seriously. I don't know why.
I think in a way it's good, because when you have so many compliments coming on daily basis, किस का note रखोगे? So obviously even that way it is in a way
That
good.
also, and I feel like sometimes people are just too kind, They just say nice things to you just to make you feel good. So, I mean, I don't know what to take seriously and what you should just let it pass.
If you have to say one word for Kajal, what would it be?
I think it's a very dynamic show because there is so much happening, like, it is dynamic.
One word for all Balaji.
One word for all Balaji. I think they are super. I think it can't be one word. It has to be two words. They're very enterprising, and they are the trendsetters. And I think I'll go with three. And I think they are incredible people. And this is going to be a sentence, not a word, because I feel like they have launched so many incredible new talents and given platform to so many incredible talents that I feel like, I mean, we should like give them a huge round of applause if that's possible. So thank you.
So a lot of people here are saying, "Ma'am, आपका Kajal 9.8 IMDb पे है, and it's so good, and you are brilliant in it. Also loved your acting, and I'm sure you're used to hearing these things, but here there is a lot of love for you, for Kajal, and they're looking forward for not only Kajal, many more shows with you. So that is something that is coming here कि मैम we want to see you more often. So hopefully we wish you best wishes ताकि हम आपको बहुत देखें और बहुत सारा चिटर चैटर करें. But we are going to have a quick round to get to know Sushri. So very this and that, very quick one, and whatever comes to you. Okay, before I go next, Sapa Naresh wants to know, how would you differentiate Kajal from the other shows on OTT which are connected being the whole gang backdrop and all of it?
So, see, Kajal is basically talking about the gangs which are existing. They're the existing gangs in Bombay. So I don't think we have a show on the OTT platform which talks about the gangs who are currently functioning and pumping out their money in different ways and, like running the whole economy of the city. So I think it is a very unique show because we have books about this, but we do not have a show about it, which talks about the 5 leading gangs of Bombay running the city, but the normal people do not know about it. So I think that is a huge difference.
Okay, back to our this and that before we end our chitter chatter. So, what kind of movies do you like? Fiction or realistic?
Both.
This or that. ये third option तो मैंने दिया ही
Okay, this or that. Okay. That's a very tough question. How do you choose? Because sometimes the real life stories are also so interesting, you know. I think real life stories, realistic ones, because I think real life is a lot more drama than fiction.
Books or movies?
Books.
Favorite genre?
Favorite genre, Indian mythology.
If you had to play a Indian classic mythology character, which one would it be?
I can't answer that question, but at the same time, I feel like a fierce version. Have you read this book by Amish Tripathi?
Yeah.
Sita. I love how he has portrayed Sita. I think I would love to play Amish Tripathi's version of Sita.
Mountains or beaches?
Oof. Mountains.
Holiday or staycation?
Holiday.
Coffee or tea?
Coffee.
Evenings or early mornings?
Early mornings.
If you had to make a book, like a memoir of yours, what would the title be?
Work in progress. I can't think of anything better.
Favorite color?
Favorite color. I love this beautiful. I love this shade of blue. It's a nice baby blue, like a ice blue kind of a color. I do not know the exact name of it, but that's the blue that I love. Shade of blue.
Favorite movie lately that you've watched?
Favorite movie. Oh my god, I saw Shesha a couple of days ago, and that's a real life inspired story. Oh my god, I couldn't stop crying. What a film.
Vayu Raghavan or Major Bhav?
Major Bhav, any day.
Tanuj or Ritwik?
Tanuj. No, I can't choose but Tanuj because.
Major or Abhat?
Major or?
Abhat.
Who? Sorry, Major?
Major or Abhat? Now this has come twice, so I got confused who's Abhat. Okay, the person is right.
Major or Abbas. I think they are talking about. I don't know.
Okay.
Major. Major or Abhay. I think that's what they meant. Major.
Okay. Major or Abhay? He's corrected here. Abhay is what he was saying. So Major or Abhay?
A Major.
Favorite cartoon character?
Favorite cartoon character? I love Winnie the Pooh. He's so positive.
Your mantra for life?
Work hard, stay humble, and be kind.
What book are you reading right now?
I'm reading 2 books currently. One is 7,000 Ways of Listening, and the other one is, it's a complicated name, it's A Home for Erring and Outcast Girls. Yeah, these are the 2 books I'm reading right now.
Why should we watch Cartel? Though we know it, but we want to hear it from you.
You should watch Cartel for a lot of reasons, because I don't think there is a story ever like this that you have seen before. It is about the existing gangs in Bombay, which are functioning right now. And it is very interesting because there are so many stories in it, so many incredible actors playing these different stories, and they have done absolute justice to it. And you will be gripped. Like, you start watching, and trust me, if you ask me, I have seen the series thrice. Like, I am in it, so I try to be objective and try to, postmortem कि okay यहाँ पे ये वहाँ पे वो, but at the same time it is super duper interesting, and also because we have made the show with so much love and so much hard work and so much literally blood, sweat, and tears, that I think you should definitely watch it. And it's a 9.8 on IMDb, so IMDb does not lie.
Favorite dialogue from cartoon?
Favorite dialogue? I think what Rani Mai says, that हार जाना बुज़दिली नहीं है, हार मान लेना बुज़दिली है, is something I really connect with.
Wow, that's a really deep dialogue, and I'm sure you'll connect to it. So before we end this chitter chatter, do you want to tell your viewers something before we?
Just this, that I am really overwhelmed कि आप लोग जिन लोगों ने shows देखा है, and they are messaging me, and it is really encouraging, and it's really बहुत अच्छा लगता है when you get so many messages and so much love, and people are messaging me saying that exactly what they say, that we are happy that you're alive by the end of season 1, we want to see you in season 2. So it is a very encouraging, and it's a very like you feel good, you feel validated. But at the same time, I want to thank Balaji and MX Player and like the entire team that has been a part of this entire journey, the cast and the crew included. And thank you, Shweta, for doing this, because it was really exciting for me to do this with you. And anybody who has not seen the show, please go watch the show and let us know what you think, because like I said, and like some of you also said, that it's a 9.8 on IMDb, so I'm sure you're not going to be disappointed.
So guys, now after our chitter chatter, in case you've missed, it's going to be on IGTV. You can watch it again. You can tag your friends who you want them to watch our show. And besides that, go and watch Cartel right now and tell us how you enjoyed it. I'm going to do that. I'm going to right away go and watch Cartel and get back at how much have I enjoyed. And like you said, I'm sure IMDb does not lie, and the people out here are not lying who have enjoyed the show and have been commenting you and sending you loves. And thank you so much for your time in your busy schedule for our chitter chatter. It was great having you. But before we go, a Kodak moment. So let's smile, and one chitter chatter smile. And there we have a snapshot. And thank you, and hope to see you again. And best wishes for your show and for many more things in life.
Thank you so much, Shweta. It was lovely doing this with you, and good luck to you too.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.